The World Health Organization chief Tedros has now revealed that origin of COVID-19 pandemic needs further study. He also asserted that all hypotheses are on the table.
And we will read the report and discuss, digest its content and next steps with member states. But as I have said, all hypotheses are on the table and warrant complete and further studies from what I have seen so far.
Now, the entire report will be released on the 30th of March. This comes after a joint WHO-China study on the origins of the global pandemic, with the first cases reported in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The investigation failed to identify the source of the pandemic. After over a year of health crisis with millions dead across the world, the WHO-China probe has failed to identify the source of the global pandemic. The investigators have proposed further research in every area except the Wuhan lab leak hypothesis. Now, this report's release has been repeatedly delayed, raising questions about whether the Chinese side was trying to skew the conclusions to prevent blame for the global pandemic falling on China. The Associated Press, however, has accessed what appears to be a final copy of the report of the investigation team that had gone to Wuhan, China to conduct the probe. Now, it remains unclear whether the report might still be changed prior to its release. So let's go over the findings so far. Firstly, the closest relative of the virus that causes COVID-19 has been found in bats, which are known to carry coronaviruses. However, the report says that the evolutionary distance between these bat viruses and the SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19 is estimated to be several decades, suggesting a missing link. This team, however, concludes that it is likely that SARS-CoV-2 jumped from bats to humans, though the team suggests further investigation. Scenario 2. The WHO-China team study, however, says that the most likely scenario is the presence of a carrier animal or a missing link animal, an animal that acted as an intermediary or a link between bats and humans. Similar viruses have been found in pangolins, while cats and mink are susceptible to the COVID virus. However, no direct link has been established yet by the investigators. WHO team says that it is very likely that the virus jumped from such a missing link or a carrier animal and has suggested further research. The World Health Organization and China team also investigated whether the virus was spread to humans through cold chain food products. The team says that while spread through cold chain is possible, it is not likely that cold chain was responsible. However, the WHO-China probe team has completely ruled out only one theory, and that is the Wuhan lab leak hypothesis. In fact, the team has suggested no further investigation of the same despite failing to identify any animal source of COVID so far. Earlier, the United States had hinted at a possible lab origin of SARS-CoV-2. In fact, former US President Donald Trump had claimed that he has seen proof by US agencies that COVID-19 had a lab origin, and he pointed fingers at the Wuhan Virology Lab. Now, Wuhan Virology Lab is known to be conducting research on bat viruses. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.